All right. Hey, anyways, go measure the curve, globies. Woo!
Yes, it's this flat earth genius again. In the last video I made about Mike, he showed us his binoculars that he bought because we Globies have told him to use a telescope. And he showed a blurry image of Sirius that he claimed to be how it looks in reality. But he have made a new video about Sirius. It's a short one. Let's have a look at it.
Hey guys, my picture came in today with the fabric stretched out over the picture frame deal, and yeah, it looks fantastic. Highly recommend looking at them on my site and purchasing one. They look absolutely fantastic. No pixelation or anything. Good quality material. It's yeah, stapled good, nice and tight, and it's fantastic. So yeah, there you guys go. 100% what stars look like, whether you use binoculars or telescope. And people who use telescopes think their stars are millions of miles away. Well, good luck with that. So this is 100% a star, and I would put my life on it and even money. And so there you go. Keep throwing some more theories at me, boys and girls. You guys do not like the truth. All right, boys and girls, thanks a lot.
Oh dear, you can buy his blurry image as a canvas. Can it get more stupid?
Get out there and get those t-shirts with the star Sirius. It's 100% truth.
I believe you when you tell us that you're trying to sell t-shirts of that lousy image, but I'm not sure that you will find any customers.
Okay, here we go, Globies. Any one of you fantastically smart, intelligent, absolutely amazing Globies out there.
And what do you want today, Mikey?
Please explain to me. I don't care what degree of angle it is. You want to know why? Because it's above my head. This moon here on your model is above my head in Canada. You see the Canada there? When I look up, it's here. Whatever degree of, not 90 degrees, it's not 90 degrees. Of course, the Earth is tilted, so 90 degrees would be kind of over here.
I'm confused. You're showing the ball 90 degrees over the North Pole, but Canada is here.
Now, whether it's 60 or 70 degree of angle, explain to me why I'm looking almost, listen, pay attention, almost 90 degrees. Almost.
First of all, the moon can move in a higher arc than the sun. You only have to read the textbook to understand that one. And secondly, why don't you measure the angle instead of guessing?
Water remains level when at rest. Good listening skills, Globies. So,
and suddenly he changed topic and starts to talk about water.
Why is the moon over here? And guess what? 2 weeks ago, the moon was almost in this kind of a direction. So at what point did the Earth tilt or the moon move? You explain it to me. Good luck. Remember, this is your model. I have your model in front of me. It does not work.
It works fine, Mike. It's you who believes in something that don't work and that have no backings in science or in reality.
And remember, the sun is rotating around us. It goes to the northwest in the summer.
No, the Earth is rotating around the Sun and the Moon is rotating around the Earth.
And because of the bigger outer circle, it appears to be setting in the southwest because it's going on a bigger circle. So if we were rotating around the sun, shouldn't the sun be making this kind of a shape in the sky? A U shape?
Shape? There you lost me.
Remember, we're supposed to be rotating around the sun on your model. So why is the sun going this way and not that way?
Oh dear.
Good luck, Globies. Say hello. Yeah, I know you're confused too, because the Globies don't know what the frick they're talking about. Yeah, I'm talking about the moon, see? She's like, what's going on here? This doesn't work. This is hilarious. Can I play with this toy? Yeah, that's the sun. Doesn't that look funny there too? You explain it to them. This is how stupid they are, Rakia. They don't understand their model. See? Yeah, no, that doesn't go there. That doesn't go there. Yeah, I don't agree with you either, Rakia. Yeah, so good luck. Yeah, even, see, she's even confused. Aren't you confused? Good luck, guys. See you later, alligator.
This must be embarrassing for the cat. Mikey, have you ever looked in some kind of simple science book about how the sun works, the moon works? Probably anything about how the world works that we live in. Oh dear, Mikey is incredible. I'm still in Kiev. I want to thank you all helping me helping Ukraine. So if you want to help me buying kamikaze drones, use PayPal. Okay, this was all for this time. I will be back home in Sweden soon. Take care and see you soon. Bye.